So hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the scale of an object in your Blender workspace. So first of all, you need to open the Blender on whatever platform that you have been using. For example, if I open this on my Windows PC, now this is my Blender workspace, and if I want to change the scale, or I can say if I want to resize this model, I just simply need to first select this model. You can select it either just by clicking here or in this layer section. Just simply select the name of the object that you want to scale, and when you do that, here on this top option you're gonna find this option of object. When you click there, here you're gonna find this option of transform. When you click there, in this small window you're gonna find this third option of scale. Just simply click there, and when you click there, now whenever you hover your mouse, or you can say you move your mouse, the object is now scaling. So you can scale it as per your convenience, and once you are done, just simply hit right click on your mouse and it's done. Now this is the scaled object, so you can scale any of the object as per your convenience. So I hope this video will be alright. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.